Okay, so in this video we'll see what are the unformatted input functions and unformatted output functions. Okay, so as we know, formatted input output functions are printf and scanf. Okay, now we'll see unformatted input output functions. So the get char and get s functions are used to read the unformatted input and unformatted input functions, and since they are included in the stdio.h header file. Okay, so basically get char and get s are used to read the unformatted input functions, right? So get char, this function reads a single character from the standard input device, and there is no parameter within the parenthesis. Get char is used only to read a single character from the standard input device. Okay, it read only single character, and there is no parameter within the parenthesis. Means whatever the parameter we have in the scanf, that is a formatted input function. Okay, there you have to specify the control string and the address list. So here there is no parameter, there is no rules to read the unformatted input functions. Okay, so just the variable name and the function you have to use, and the syntax is chvar, that is chvar is a variable is equal to get char. Get char is a unformatted input function, means whatever the character you read, that will be assigned to chvar, to the variable. Okay, suppose a get char of a, within the parenthesis if I give a. Okay, so that a means the character, what is the ASCII value of a, suppose 65, so that 65 will be assigned to chvar. Okay, so chvar is a character of type variable to which an accepted character is assigned. Next, get s. Get x function, it reads in everything you enter from the keyboard until the enter key or return key is pressed. Here everything means a string which is sequence of all printable ASCII characters, and % character is used to read this function. Okay, so whatever the data you are entering, okay, so it will take all the data until you press enter key or return key. Okay, when you press enter key or return key, then it will stop and it will take whatever the data you have typed, whatever the data you have entered, it will take everything. Okay, and % symbol is used for reading the string function. Okay, get char means single character, get s means sequence of character it will take, and syntax is get s within the parenthesis string. Okay, so where string is sequence of characters and it is of type char. Both get char and char and a string, both are character type of data. Okay, now unformatted output functions. So same thing, put char and put s functions are used for this purpose. Okay, so get char and get s are the input unformatted input functions, whereas put char and put s functions are used for to print the unformatted output functions, and both functions are included in stdio.h header file. Okay, and put char, same put char function is prints a single character on the screen, that is a put char of a in the parenthesis chvar. Okay, where chvar is a character variable which is enclosed within the parenthesis. Put s, the function prints a string of characters on the screens, whatever the data you have been read. So same thing it will print by using put s function, and the syntax is put s and the parenthesis string, where string is again a sequence of characters. Okay, so program to illustrate unformatted input output functions. Okay, in the main function, void main opening brace, so the variable I have declared only message of 30. So this is a variable of type char, or it is a string type of variable, it is a type of a char. Okay, so by using put s and get s, so in put s just enter the message, it will ask you to enter the message, and it read by using a get s. So I have taken get s here, here I am reading the sequence of character. So I have declared a message, that is a string type of variable. Okay, so I am using get s. So get s message. So whatever the data you read, that will be assigned, that will be take, it will consider everything, and put put S means whatever the data you have been read, so it will print all the messages and print. Okay, suppose if you want to read only one character, then char message, only you just declare char and a message, no need to declare the array. Then here in the next statement, enter get char, that is a variable char is equal to get char and a put char, that's it. Okay, so these are the unformatted input and unformatted output functions. And always you remember, formatted input functions are used for various data. Okay, it is used to read and write for various data, that is integer, character, float, double, whatever. But unformatted input output functions are only specified for the character and a string type of data. Here you cannot read integer, float or a double type of data. It is only applicable for a character or a string, whereas formatted input means here where you can use all the or various type of data. Okay, so this is the type of formatted and unformatted input output functions. If you get any doubts, so whatever the timetable we have given to you, so you can come to college and ask the questions and discuss whatever you have a doubt. Okay, so thank you.